Okay, this is a quick video on the WORK here, work. Big spike in this today, and we did enter that. We got to manage to get into this around 24.50 this morning, and now trading at 27 and an eighth. Huge run up, but this is why I put the swing on. I was watching it. It did break through this, big long declining tops line here like this, and built this big basing pattern for the past 4 months. And then, so this was the resistance area here for it at the 24 and a quarter. When it popped through that this morning, I put on a swing trade at a range between 24.50 and 24.75 entry on it. But we can see that, let me just clear the lines out of here so we can get a fresh start. Now, don't forget. So when we first looked at this, now remember this would have been in the future. All this up here is in the future, but we can see that it started to get up into this trend line or into this channel like this, very strong. And this was the breakout for it here around the 24.25. So it started off in this channel. We were watching it, got to the resistance area, and at the apex of the channel pops through it and gets into this channel. Now this level it breaks the channel, but it's not really breaking the channel in the sense that it doesn't sell off sharply like here and some of these other spots. It really just is consolidating. So as it consolidates like that, you have to continue to move the channel line out like this. So this would be our new channel then, like this. And we can see here at the 25, this would have been natural resistance for it, which we talked about in the trading room. So it pops through. We get it at 24.50. On a day trade, 25 was the first target, and then 25 and a half for it. And we can see that it just consolidated. So we just had to keep moving the channel up, channel out. And then it pops through the 25, spikes up. Now we had the opportunity when we drew this line here to draw this line here. And it would have been, would have only been here. But as it traded, we can move, extend this line. Sure enough, when it got to the top of the channel here at the 26, we would have, and we did, we sold a piece of our position. This was our target actually on the swing trade. 26 and a half was our target. But on our day trade, I had 25.50 and 26 was the target. Sure enough, got there, pulled back, which was, we sold a piece of our position, the day trade position. But here you can see then it pulled back and held support. Now, as long as this stock stays in the trend and stays in the channel, you stay in the trade. You sell pieces, you go up, but this is how you make the big money. You make the money by staying in the trade, not by scalping it for 5 cents or 10 cents or 25 cents 25 times. You get in these trades, you stay in them, you let them run. Now, as it gets to the top, you continue to, every time it hits the top of the channel, you sell a little bit of stock. But now this is starting to break out, and here's the channel is accelerating. This is the new channel for it, like this. This has got a target now, $28 is our new target for day trade for work at 28. But this is the key. Stay in the channel, stay in the trade.